Hello everyone, today is December 13, 2021. These are the important articles that we have to read in the Hindu newspaper for our competitive examinations. First article is RBI and PM signal reforms in troubled urban cooperative banks. This is in regards to banking sector. Trying to address banking sector issues. This article will help you in that. Try to find out what policies that they are projecting or promoting in order to bring the necessary refreshing changes in our banking sector. Culturally, how important Kashi Vishwanath temple is. From that perspective, read this article. PM's Twitter account briefly hacked. This is in kind of a significant breach of security, not only in the form of digital security but also in national security issues, because if they can hack into accounts as high profile as prime minister, then you have to think about our digital assets, security of our digital assets, how vulnerable they are for hacking or from hacking. So cybersecurity threats, how India is prepared or is underprepared to defend itself against cyber attacks, which are going to become normal. Current scenario of rate of cyber threats on our country, particularly industries. This is a very deep bit of information that you have to be aware of to write in exams. Very depth oriented issue. A lot of information needs to be processed, learned and understood. Coming to page number 6, editorial, the evolution and framework of the constitution. This comes in the backdrop of the recent celebration of our Constitution Day on November 26th. A lot of discussion has been taking place in regards to the Constitution, the role of Constitution, how judiciary has been. So you understand what I am trying to say here. From that perspective, read this article. The stepping stones in the post-pandemic world. So this is in regards to how India can build its future economic relationships with other countries and play the crucial role of bridging the gap between the supply chain demands and the untrustworthiness with the Chinese supply chains and the government there. So from that perspective, read this article. This kinds of gives you as to how important building global economic partnerships are and how crucial they are for India in furthering its economic goals and needs. Moving on, endless ordeal. This is in regards to Julian Assange, who has been uh, arrested and being extradited to US. Try to understand the backstory of his ordeal, in the sense that what did he do, what was the impact of his actions on both US and other countries in the world, and the specific targeting of United States. Not only that, this can be used as a dichotomy or example in regards to freedom of press. On one side you have America saying that they are the upholders or the guardians of freedom of speech. On the other hand, they are directly attacking him and his friends, his family, for making public aware of the tactics, the technology and the actions, unilateral actions by intelligence agencies around the world. So depends on where you stand in that regard. Try to find a median path. Coming to op-ed, page number 7, the flawed Islamic democracy of Pakistan. This is in regards to blasphemy cases in Pakistan. Particularly this article deals about the blasphemy laws in Pakistan, why they have been very troublesome to the minorities in Pakistan, particularly religious minorities. Not only that, how the government is letting loose the blasphemy laws in this country. This talks about the dangers of the other sides of having blasphemy laws, such as the ones in Pakistan, in other parts of the world. So try to understand this article from that nuance. The dream of being a chip hub. So this is one area of news, or this is one area of economy that India needs to pull up its shorts or pants or whatever you call. uh, Try to understand the current scenario, who controls the microchip supply chain, what are the constraints of it, what is the impact of those constraints on industries around the world, particularly automobile industry, particularly electronic manufacturing industries. What are the steps that are needed to be taken to address that issue, and how India can fit into that supply chain issue. Very important microchip issue, not only in the short term but in the long term also. Coming to page number 8, SC has taken note of section 124A misuse. This is again in regards to the section 124A. There has been recent discussions again surrounding the misuse of section 124A, which is 124A, which is again sedition. To be very clear with you, try to understand the genesis of it, try to get a 365-degree view of the sedition laws, how they have emerged, how have they been used, what is the current scenario, what are the Supreme Court judgments on that regard. Um from that perspective, do read this article. Coming to page number 9, 71 war reflects folly of partition Rajnath. This is again regards to 1971 war, the importance of 1971 war. You have to become a history buff here. You have to understand the entire time period during which India initiated the 1970 war and the end, the post impact of the 1971 war. From that perspective becomes very important. Page number 10, S-400 is symbol of Indian sovereignty, Russian diplomat. See, the important takeaways from this article are two. What would be the potential fallout of CATSA sanctions on India for purchasing S-400? So the need for S-400 like technologies, particularly getting imported from Russia. So try to understand it's more about our independence in this regard rather than uh, being afraid of sanctions from America or other some Western nations. So try to understand and get in the China angle through by way of Russia supplying weapons to China that are comparable to that it is supplying to India. Try to understand about the naval logistics agreements that we have been recently made with Russia. Not only that, the 2+2 dialogue and the areas of cooperation that both the countries are looking forward in future. Effects of long COVID mapped. Learn what is long COVID, what are the symptoms for long COVID. Just an understanding article. Apart from that, don't worry about it. Booster dose can wait, says top ICMR scientists. So this is the debate that will rage for the next coming few months, whether Indian citizens need booster dose or not. Try to understand the global scenario in that regard and try to understand what the current situation in India in regards COVID is. Coming to page number 11, G7 calls on Russia to de-escalate, warns against Ukraine incursion. So this is again regards to Russia-Ukraine situation. What is the ground reality there? How the world is reacting to it, particularly Western countries. On the other side, uh, what has been the history of Ukraine and Russia? That is how you approach this article. Bennett in UAE on historic first visit by an Israel PM. So why Israel's Prime Minister visit to UAE is significant, the history of it from that perspective. Map pointing also try to understand where UAE and Israel are. Tigray rebels retake Lalibela in Ethiopia. Map pointing, try to understand where they are. New Caledonia votes to remain part of France. So this is very interesting. First, from map pointing view, to find out where Caledonia in France is. Second thing, why they had to take up a referendum whether to remain in as a part of France or to come out of the French Union. Very interesting article. The history of it is very interesting. Possible some kind of a question because a lot of resemblance based to certain sections in India, certain parts in India. From that perspective, do you read this article? Coming to page number 2 in text and context, the article is the feudal cloud kingdom. This talks about the absolute control of Amazon Web Services in the domain of cloud storage and cloud services. This article gives you the dangers of having that control, that type of control in the hands of Amazon. Very important article to understand the ideas of uh, complete control, complete domination in that regards, in particularly technological areas that are dependent, that are crucial for survival of many services around the world. Very important. Try to understand the article from that perspective. These are the important articles that we have to read for today. Thank you.